Resolution of poor water and utility services, greater assistance to farmers to prop up the industry and further bring down inflation, and amending provisions in the maternity leave law were the issues that stood out in the Alianza presser earlier today. Our Daniel Manalastas took his team there and he filed this report.
The problem on public and water utilities is one of those Alianza para sa Bagong Pinas senatorial bets wants to resolve. In light of problems with some water concessioners, the administration bets believe public utilities should be a priority and should be always available and never interrupted. Some senatoriables under Alianza see the possible conduct of Congress and Senate investigations underway.
Then dapat kung ano yung makakasiguro ang mga Bulakenyo, kami, susuportahan natin. Siyempre, dapat basic needs are always important. Hindi pwedeng may kawalan. So, kung may privatize na, tapos hindi nagdi-deliver ng mabuti, palitan. Bakit magtitiis?
Well, on the part of Congress or Senate in particular, we can also conduct our own investigation, our own inquiry, kung bakit nagkaganyan. Kasi utility, basic need ng ating mga kababayan yung tubig. At kung marami na nagreklamo, hindi lang isang lugar, ibig sabihin, hindi isolated yung case, yung issue. So, we may also need to conduct our own inquiry if and when we get there.
For Representative Erwin Tulfo, if the services being provided by those who own franchises are not satisfactory,
siguro high time that Congress and Senate will review kung hindi na kailangan ng 25, kung talaga hindi ka na makapag-deliver ng maayos sa serbisyo, dapat i-cancel na yung franchise. Hindi lang sa tubig, pati lalo sa kuryente. Kahit saksa ka na ng pangit yung hinayupak na kumpanya, kahit na putik na burak na lumalabas, yung kuryente naman wala ng ilaw, mas marami yung oras na walang ilaw kaysa may ilaw, walang magawa because doon sa franchise.
Meanwhile, some Alianza bets believe that the agriculture sector should be modernized and helping farmers should be government's priority.
So dapat siguro baguhin natin yung mindset, pero gawin nating medyo high-tech yung ating pagsasaka. Hindi yung old traditional na may araro, may kalabaw, na pag-iwanan na tayo doon. So sa ibang bansa, lalo sa Europe, pag magsasaka mayaman. Sa atin lang yung pag magsasaka associated sa kahirapan.
Meanwhile, on the potential amendment to maternity leave law,
so I will have to see the wisdom behind the proposal kung bakit gusto natin ng mas malaking work hours, mas maikling work hours ang mga kababaihan. Pero kasi kung mas maliit yung work hours nila, mas maliit din yung sweldo. Yun bang mangyayari?
Daniel Manalastas from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.